You done know. This is your boy Charles Douglas and
Mike.
coming at you with another episode of the TD Drones Reviews. Today we have the Yuneec Q500 in the house and we're going to take it for a flight. So stay tuned, y'all. Yeah. All right, so Michael, last week we ended up fixing this.
Yes.
So explain them a little bit, you don't know, about the process and such.
Okay, guys, if you guys haven't seen the last episode, we were fixing the Yuneec Q500, the ESC or electronic speed controller. The process was a bit, it was a bit time consuming. We had to take out the old ESC and replace it with a new one. And then standing out here today so we can test the Yuneec and see how it goes.
Alright guys, so now we're going to do the unboxing and get this thing up in the air. I'm going to show you how to set it up and get it ready for flight. Alright, so this is what you get in the package. As I explained last week, this is the sunshade, but today I will not be using this with the controller because it's a bit overcast. We're using 4 propellers to the mic.
Yes.
The propellers have A and B. So one is clockwise and one is counterclockwise. Alright, so you don't know just the bird itself, the Q500. So when you first get the Q500 in the package, it usually comes with the gimbal, the 3-axis gimbal unattached. So setup process is attaching the gimbal with the camera. Actually, let me do the whole camera setup and thing. Today I'm going to be using the Hero 4 and this cable was included in the package, so you got to connect it to get the video feed back to the controller. So you connect it straight into the USB port where you charge the GoPro, and then you insert it into the gimbal like this, and then you take the screw to keep it from falling back out of the gimbal. There you go. This section of the gimbal mounts into this area. You can see. Okay. Goes there. I'm doing it blind, so okay. Good. Alright, and then we're gonna attach this to the quadcopter. It goes onto this here. Okay. And now that's done. It has a wire that leads from the gimbal. It has to plug in here to get power to the gimbal when you power on the drone. You plug that in there, like that. And then this is the transmission system for video feed back to the controller from the GoPro. So this goes into this port right here. The antenna usually comes separated, so you just clip it in. Never power it on without the antenna. You could damage the transmitter. Alright guys, so now we're gonna have Michael put on the propellers for you and explain a little bit about the process of doing it.
Alright guys, as you can see, I have a few propellers in my hand right here. 2 of the propellers are A's, 2 of the propellers are B. The A ones go clockwise and the B ones go counterclockwise. So we're gonna be putting them on the motor right here. Do it like this. And when you tie them, make sure you tie them tight enough so you are secure that nothing wrong will go. So you're gonna tighten it enough so you can feel like when you reach the rubber, you will stop right there. So we're gonna check again. Okay. This goes right here. Tight, securely. Okay. That's how you put the propellers on.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna take the Q500 up in the air. I just pulled out the SD10, so Now we're gonna test what we fixed last week. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, Mike. So now we're gonna put on the drone. I already have on the ST10. So insert the battery.
Yes. I push the battery like this.
Yeah, put it in hard.
Push
Yes,
it.
sir.
Security key. Check it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay then. All right.
Yes.
You know where the on and off button is?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna turn it.
Yes. Turn it around.
No, don't turn it around.
Oh.
Put your hand underneath
Yeah.
and turn it on like that.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah. All right. Okay, so we're gonna just let it sit there. This is the G model, guys. So as you can see, I just forget all about the GoPro and turning it on the GoPro camera before starting the drone and the gimbal powered up, but which is no problem. So I'm gonna just start the GoPro and as you could see, get some footage, some telemetry back to the controller. Okay, good. All right. So as you can see here on the controller, we have telemetry. We already have 14 satellites, GPS mode, volts. I have 12 volts, so the battery is not fully charged, and I have about 50% on the controller. So I'm shooting in 1080p 60 linear mode, and yeah, we're gonna do this now. So in order to arm the motors, you're gonna press the start and stop button. You're gonna hold it in for a few seconds. And today, guys, I'm gonna be flying in angle mode. So as you can see, we have smart, angle, and return to home. So I'm gonna be using the angle mode. All right. What's she sounding? All right. So, yeah, she walk in.
Yes.
We're gonna do some low flying. Hold on. I have it in rabbit mode. Have it in rabbit mode. And we're gonna push forward. Real quiet, smooth. Okay then. Full yaw left. Full yaw right. Camera down. Double tap the screen to get full screen. Camera view up. Awesome. Now we're gonna go up. Lovely. Coming down for landing now. Hold the start and stop button for a few seconds to stop it again. Okay. The Mavic Pro He's in the no-fly zone, can't go nowhere. Q500, how we do this? Unique. That's how we do it. Next thing to do, guys, when you're bringing down the Yuneec 500 to land, you must not come straight down. You make some small circles with it so it doesn't get any prop wash, and you know, start stripping and follow the sky. You don't need that happening. This is a big investment. Very smooth. Yep. My wife is gonna hand catch. Alright. Awesome. Alright guys, so there you had it. You don't know. Another review of the Q500, but this time it was just actually flying it and showing you how it operates after fixing it last week. The electronic speed controller, like Mike explained, it was broken and yeah, we had to replace it. So that was the test, the first flight, and it was a successful flight. So you know, also you guys get to see my wife flying a little bit of the Q500, you know. The beast, she could handle the beast, brothers. And my boy Mike, you know, he did a little thing. So next week we have the episode of my wife's favorite drones. So we're gonna show you what she likes to fly and her style, you know. So now you're gonna see a bit of what she likes. Yeah, so if you need any Q500 models or anything from Yuneec, the Typhoon G, the Typhoon H, the Q500, just contact Carolina Drones. That's my boy Frank. Get at him or any one of the professional workers that works there, and they will definitely help you with what you need, if you need parts or anything like that. And also give a shout out to Drone Days on Facebook, one of the biggest drone groups right now, one of the biggest and best drone group right now on Facebook. So, you know, join that and get to know about, get to know me, right? Yeah, get to know me and more about drones, and get to know Mike, right? And more about drones, and yeah, you know, you get to know Mike and more about drones, and you get to, you know, a basic knowledge and understanding of how things work and what we are up to on a regular day. So yeah, join Drone Days, enjoy yourselves. Alright, so Mike, you have anything to say?
As always,
Okay,
I always have something to say. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the videos of today. It was really awesome flying the G model. The G model handled the wind here pretty well. As Mr. Charles said, Valerie got a chance to fly the G model, the beast, the legends of drones. So you already know, like for Valerie. So next week we will be seeing Valerie picking out or flying her favorite drones. So stay tuned for that. So everybody remember to like, comment, subscribe and share and press the notification bell, because you're going to be seeing Valerie next week. So Mr. Charles?
Yes sir.
Today was an awesome episode guys. So thank you so much. We're going to be seeing you guys in the next episode.
You don't know.